Viewing, enabling, and editing audit policy using Audit Poll. Audit Poll is a tool used to avoid a traceback and possible prosecution for hacking. So let's begin. Here I have Windows Server 2012. Audit Poll utility is available in Windows Server 2003, Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2012, and Windows Server 2016. So just open CMD, maximizes, and just give command Audit Poll get category star. Star means ending. It will give you information about audit policies. Here you can see authentication policy change success, user account management success, no auditing features available here. So use another command, Audit Poll set category system account log on success enabled and failure enabled. Here you can see system and account logon. This give enter. The command was successfully executed. Now run command Audit Poll /get /category star. Here you can see account logon policies configured with the success and failure. Same for system, success and failure. Now use Audit Poll clear /y. It will clear audit policy. Here you can see no auditing. So hope you understand how you can clear audit policy and how you can edit or viewing audit policy using Audit Poll command. So thank you for watching this video. Find hidden files. Here I have Windows Server 2012 machine, and I have a tool ADS Spy. Just run it. Select Quick Scan, and here you can see Scan the system for alternate data stream. Just select Quick Scan and click on Scan the system for alternate data stream. In Quick Scan, we are not able to find anything. Just click on Full Scan, and now we need to scan the system for alternate data. Here you can see we created file 1.txt. It is detected. About scan, just select it and just click on the most selected string. It is deleted. Just go to the C drive, folder 1, and here you can see file is available. Same link is also available. Let me go to the C drive, CD, folder 1. Now let me run virus. Here you can see It's not working. Oh. So NTFS, the test team has been deleted. So thank you for watching this video. Oh.